We found an ice cream vending machine at the movie theater, so we're giving it a try. Brand new?
Middle of February.
Okay, cool. Yeah, okay.
I think I'll get sprinkles or M&Ms.
I don't know.
Tacos on ice cream.
Okay.
Yes. Next. What do you... I want to get Barbie. Oh, it's my dog. I think that's good. Next.
Yeah? Okay, hold this real quick.
Next time we come, if you want to bring in your dollars, we can drive, okay?
Next shifting is
Let me load up the car. Freya. Oh, this one. You got your sister's going wild here, but Freya.
here. Oh, wow. Your phone got it on there. Oh, Mom, you gotta see this.
Oh, is there
It just
more?
added sprinkles on.
Oh,
It just
okay.
added that. It's just like,
I see. Awesome.
find the spoon.
The spoon was under the cup. We're in the way of the door.
Oh, you fold it.
Oh, wow. All right, you gotta try it.
Okay, ice cream made from a vending machine.
Yeah.
It's good.